Here we go, baby. Real fast. IOD Squad. Not fast. Put a few things out there, man. Touch on a few things with crypto. IOD Squad. We out here, man. Got my new Father's Day glasses on. Got the new Coochie Father's Day glasses on. No more Target glasses for me. All right, man. So listen, man. Let's talk. We're gonna talk. Let's talk about jump in here and talk about crypto, man. I'm gonna throw this up. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Like IOD Investor Die, I just tell you guys what we doing, how we see it, and it's up to you. I mean, do your due diligence and do what you want to do. So we're gonna throw this thing up here. So listen, here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin now is sitting somewhere around 20,600. We're looking at the daily chart. Bitcoin has failed from almost was 70,000 back in November 2021. Almost 70,000 down to 20,000. It's down 300%. Some things of that nature. But it's pumping really fast right now. I mean, the lowest it touched was 17.5. We probably was asleep late one night. 17.5. It got to 8. 17.5 is really low. Really low. Really low. But when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin, I mean, if we go back, bro, like if we can track back, let's go to the weekly chart. And if we could track crypto back, if we can track it back to when 2017, when it really hit the scene, it touched 19,000, and then it fell as low as 2,000. Let me repeat that again. It touched 19,000 in 2017, and 2 years later, it was as low as 2,000, 3,000. Let's say 3,000. From 19 to 3,000. Then it once touched, then it touched again 14,000. Then got as low as 4,000. Do those percentages on your own. I mean, do those percentages on your own. And then it went on a massive run in 2020. 64,000, and then tracked back to 28,000. It almost touched 70,000, and then now it has tracked back to 20,000. So I went over this with the IOD Squad. I went over this before on a live. As you see these things happen, and as you, if you can see the trend, I mean, very volatile Bitcoin is. I mean, we talked about this before. 19 all the way down to 3, and if you go look at the RSI super hot right here. When the RSI gets over 75, it's super hot. It's destined to come back down, and then when it's low, it's low. Let me see if I can make that up. See if I can make this bigger for you so you can see this RSI. And when it's low, it's super low. It's down. Make that clear. I'm gonna see if I can make that clear for you. Undo all that. Damn, there we go. There we go. So and when it's low, like 30,000. So anytime it touches 30, right? Boom. Once again, we're another low point where it hit 4. Anytime it touches 30, the RSI, it tracks back up. So right now, we've dipped below 30. The RSI is at 26. 26, my friend. So that means what should happen? We should see it track back up. My thing is this. There's a few things I want to show y'all. I
can tell you about my day.
There's a few things I'd like to show y'all. Let's see. So now we're looking at 26, and like I said, it's moving. It's definitely moving. It bounced off 17. It bounced off 7. 17, like just that was, let's see, look at the daily again, pull up the daily chart. It bounced off of 17 just a day ago, and then it has created this engulfing candle, basically right here. So the next, after it bounced off 17 on the 18th, on the 19th, it created an engulfing little situation right here to where the next candle engulfs the previous candle, which usually means trend is about to change. Now we at 20. Now this is all happening while we're talking. Now it's at 27. It was 25 when it started, but it has to break. You know, in order for anything real to happen, it has to break. It's going to have to break this level right here, 22.9. In order for the trend to actually change, I'm thinking it's going to have to break somewhere around in the 30-31s for us to see a real trend change and head it back the other way. So, bro, at this point, man, these prices are great prices that we see we're getting in, but we understand this thing may be for the long haul. It may be years down the road, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. You know what I'm saying? Years down the road, buying at these prices, but these prices are prices that we never thought we would see again. In the midst of all of this, right? In the midst of all of this, you get bad news coming across the wire, which a lot of times aid in things going downward. Some of that is, I like to believe that people have their own agendas. People have their own agendas and their own reasoning for pointing things or helping things go in that, especially people with influence. Like, say, let's take Bill Gates. Bill Gates recently said, cryptos, Bill Gates blasts cryptocurrency. He recently said cryptos and NFTs are a sham. CNN reports. We're going to pull that in here real fast. Bill Gates says cryptos and NFTs are a sham. Basically, Bill blasts cryptocurrencies and NFTs. I'm going to put the other one in for you. I want to say Bill Gates says cryptos and NFT are basically. Bill Gates says, and this was recently, man, June 15th. Bill Gates said cryptos and NFTs are a sham. Somebody with his power, he has a lot of influence, a lot of leverage to help drive. Like, he says things like this in the middle of crypto going down to help drive the price down. And my philosophy on these things is that guys with money, guys that has the wealth that somebody Bill Gates have, uses these moments to buy things at a lower cost. You got billions of dollars, bro. Those guys don't buy Bitcoin when it's 30, when it's 20. This is my philosophy. They understand how markets work. They see things. They see a dog when it's on the, what does it say? The kicker don't kick me when I'm on the ground. They see it's on the ground, they kick it. Because they would like to see Bitcoin go to 10K, and then they load up. Why is this my philosophy? Because if we quickly look, Bitcoin, Bill Gates, let's see. Why do I think this is? Why do I say this about Bill Gates? Because Bill Gates is all in. Let me see. I'm gonna pull this one up for you. Because Bill Gates is all in on the metaverse. Period. Throw this in here for you real fast. Bill Gates is all in. Bill Gates says the metaverse will host most of your office meetings within 2 years or 3 years. Here's what it looks like. So Bill Gates is all in on metaverse, and the metaverse will be built on blockchain. Most metaverse is going to be built on blockchain. Then that means Bill Gates is in on the future of cryptocurrency, NFTs, and things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but in moments like this, he makes statements like, I think cryptocurrency is a sham. I think Bitcoin is some bullshit. Yeah, that's about what I feel about Bitcoin. Cause you know what I'm saying? Because if he's all in on the metaverse, that means he's all in on this whole Web3 blockchain movement. It just at different times they say different things for their different reasons. So what do I think about Bitcoin at this point? What do I think about Ethereum? We'll pull that in here again. Like I say, Bitcoin is on the move right now. 20, it's touched 26, it's golfing past. So we may see a little run. We may see a run here, but if it can't break, we may see a run here. But if it can't break, see, this is where 19. This is the resistance that's holding it now. But it's not a tough one. So we may see it fall to 12, even 10. If this doesn't hold, like I say, the RSI, you can see down here, the RSI is as low as it's been since 2018. Not saying it can't go any lower, but these things are indicators. You know what I'm saying? These things are indicators and just things we use to go off. We'll do a video on RSI soon. But they're indicators. It's things we use to go off of to predict the future. So if this 18 doesn't hold, which is holding now, but if it doesn't hold and we start seeing it declining back then, we may end up down here looking at these supports, 12, 13, maybe even 10. When it comes to Ethereum, we may see Ethereum fall back down to its support, $500, $400, $400. My take on it is this. Things like the Ethereum and cryptocurrency and all of this stuff, right? Ethereum, we've talked about this over and over again inside of the IOD Squad Investor Dive. If you want to be part of Investor Dive, the link is in the description. I'll place it down there. Ethereum has been falling the last couple months. I think that the lowest it touched was 900, maybe 900. I think $4,000 was the highest it was. But when you start looking at crypto fees and things of that nature, Uniswap, okay, this is the first time I've seen this. Uniswap has surpassed Ethereum, and surpassed Ethereum on a daily average. It made $4 million in fees. Ethereum made $3 million in fees. On average, Uniswap is making $5 million in fees, and Ethereum is making $6 million a day in fees. But Ethereum continues to go down. I've seen this as high as recently, maybe 2 months ago, a month ago, $10 million a day Ethereum was making as it continued, the value of it continued to go down on the market. This is the first time I've looked at this, and Uniswap was on top. You got Bitcoin down here. Bitcoin is still pulling in $400,000 in fees. These things don't have the huge overhead. That's just fees. That is just fees. These cryptos are pulling in every day. But the value of them continue to go down because the whole market in the whole is going down. But we understand these things go down to go back to go back up. So listen, my theory on these things is when you hear things going bad, when you hear what's going bad and the sky is falling, just remember this. When you walk into the grocery store, with your mind on BOGO, buy one, get one free. You want to buy things when they're cheap. You don't want to buy them when they high. So if you like Bitcoin at 40 grand, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking you should love it at 19 or 10. IOD Squad, man, investor die. Come be a part of our community, man. We talk about these things all the time, man. Gonna start getting back in here, making more videos for you guys. But that's our theory on it. If you got a question, hit me in the comment section below. Either you think Bitcoin is going away for sure and we'll never see it again, or it's just on sale. We out of here.